Hello everyone. Today I'm going to draw a rather complicated surface drawing today. Uh, as is shown in this figure, the today's drawing product should be a ketchup bottle. Maybe ketchup can be a source to making the vegetable to be more delicious, as you know. Therefore, the ketchup bottle's shape is very difficult to draw. Therefore, we should carefully listen it and please follow my instruction considerably. First of all, we should inspect the drawing of a ketchup bottle like this. The ketchup height from here to here is 228 millimeter, and the corner radius of the left bottle should be 70 millimeter, also 70 millimeter, and from this the bottom to here is corner is height is 143, and the section AA section is shaped like this, and section BB is the shape is like this. And this is the side view of the ketchup bottle. Therefore, we should carefully drawing this kind of bottle, and I very slowly draw up for you. First of all, we should select the YZ plane first and go enter to the sketch workbench like this. And please minimize the screen because this ketchup bottle's height is very long. Then if we minimize the screen and please select the 3-point arc from profile button, and please make this to change to more little bit, then and the left side of the body can be made from this operation, and the right side of the curve can be made like this, very roughly. And please giving them the height, vertical height by in this drawing. The vertical height should be, oh I'm sorry, this is not vertical but horizontal. However, therefore the vertical height should be 208 millimeter, and this one from this one height also have a vertical height of 208 again. Oh, we did too many minimization. Therefore, we should do adjust some zooming point, and from this point and the V vector have the distance of 47.5, and also it is the same height between this point and the V vector have 47.5 once again. Maybe this have some color of it, and from now on we should draw another axis from profile icons and in the profile toolbar, and please draw axis in vertically like me. And the horizontal distance from this axis and this point should be maybe in the description document 17 millimeter, I think. And the horizontal point from this point and axis should be also the 17 millimeter again, and we should give it to the 17 millimeter, and the axis from this one and v vector have the distance of 13.5 millimeter, I think. Therefore, totally some body should be near to the left side in this point, and in this time we should determine, or we should give to the radius of this arc to 400, and in this case also this curvature of right side should be 750 millimeter, like this case. Maybe, as you know, this is curvature is having radius of 750 millimeter, and the left side of the body can be the curvature of 400, like this. If you finish it, then please go next to making some arc like this. To making the arc, please click the 3-point arc from it and roughly made one arc. Of course, this arc can be moved like this operation, and also right arc can be made from this operation. And for adjusting the arc place, we should generate 4-point by point generation button like this. And if the two curves color is changed to orange, then please click it, and we should give them to the distance from this point, and bottom point distance from bottom point should be vertically 195 millimeter. And this one can be changed into this part. And next, in this point, between this point, have the distance of vertically 143 millimeter, like this. And the distance from upper point between H vector have the vertical 195 millimeter again, and distance from lower part, bottom part, low part, between lower part and bottom part have the vertical dimension of 143 millimeter, like this. And the center point should be changed from this operation and this operation, and the center radius of this one have the radius of 170 millimeter in this case. Maybe this is true or not, we should confirm it prior again, and please minimize the arc curvature from this, and in this case this one have the radius of 70 millimeter once again, like right part, left part arc have the same radius of the right part. And if the all of the sketch change color of the all sketch arc have the color from changed from white to green color, then we can exit from this sketch workbench like this, and please unselect everything. If it is selected, then the color should be changed to orange. However, if it is unselected by escaping point, then all of the color should be changed to white color. If it is resetted, then please find out the extract button from operation. In this case, extract should be changed from this black arrow, and right side of the black bottom of the black arrow, then the extract button can be extract definition windows can be appeared as shown in this figure like this. Then please extraction should be did because this four curve 1, 2, 3, 4 3-point curves are drawn all together in the same YZ plane. Therefore, it should be extracted each other. If it is not extracted, the curve is simultaneously moved. Therefore, it could not be made each other. Therefore, we should separate it by extract button. Therefore, please select this one first, and if some curve is selected, then color should be green color. In all of the CATIA program, all shapes color, if all shapes color should be changed to green color, that is safe and that is very appropriate operation. However, if it is not green color, in case of a purple or red color, then it is dangerous for drawing. Therefore, then OK button should be needed in next time. And again, we should click extract button from here, and if it is changed from white to green color, that is safe, we confirm. Next one should be this one, and next one should be selected this one, and all of the color, and that is separated. In first time, if extract is not executed, only one curve is selected, then all of 4 curve is selected altogether. However, if after extraction is executed, then each curve can be selected like this. Therefore, it can be separated each other. Therefore, in this case, we can have a preparation for another step, I think. Therefore, next one, for making next one, we should enter to the sketch workbench along to XY plane like this, and click the sketch workbench button, and please change the center point to left one, and please draw ellipse from some of the reference of new axis like this. Therefore, we should make some new axis first, like this, and this is reference. Then we should make some 3-point arc first, and make another 3-point arc like this, and the curvature, the center point can be coincidentally making together, and center point of this one should be coincidency like this from the constraint definition dialog box, like it, and the distance from between this center point have the length of 59 millimeter, and in this case the radius of this one have 18 millimeter like this, and the radius of this one could be also 18 millimeter for symmetry. And next one, we should draw another curvature like this. It should be, I'm sorry, it should be have the same coincident, and also we should draw another 3-point arc, start from here and there, and the tangency of each curve have the tangency operation like this, and it should be needed any perforation. We should check up the tangency status of the curve in the connection point like this, and we should make tangency this curve between this curve by using constant definition in dialog box like this, and between this curve and this curve have also the tangency like this. And moreover, the radius of left side have 125 millimeter, and the right side of the radius have is 125 again. In this case, this one and this one have not same therefore in this case this between this one and this one have the coincidence like this, and all of it is corrected, and we should check up the all of the 4 curve have a closing or not. If close is covered, then this one can be finished. If this is finished, then we should coincidentally make this one and this one each other. For making it, we should match this point by I think it can be easily coincidence from this between this axis and this axis, and if coincidence button is okay, then axis should be coincidentally, and in case of this point and this point should be coincidency, then all of the shape should be changed to green color like this, and for making it left side is non-necessary part, therefore we should delete the unnecessary part from a quick trim like this, and please delete this one and this one, and please click delete this one again. Then in this case, please find out everything doing well by using this button, and if it is okay and all of the color should be changed from white color to green color, then it's okay. Then we should go out from this part well and confirm it is well drawn or not. Why I delete this part? Because I should using half part symmetry. If half part is perfectly drawn, then rest half part can be symmetrically mirrored or symmetrically made by another good options. In this case, if it is cleared, then please make another plane for making another curve like this. Therefore, we should click new plane from here, this wireframe and surface workbench, and please offset, change it from offset from plane, and reference should be XY plane like this, and the offset distance should be 143 millimeter, because this second curve is far from 143 millimeter in the drawing sheet. Therefore, if new plane is drawn, then please enter to the sketch bench along to the new plane like this, and please fill in button making, and in this case we should make another curve from this point like this, and this curve have the 3-point arc first, and the 3-point arc once again, and the 3-point arc once again. Then all of the 3 curves have the tangency alignment from the concept defined in dialog box as shown in this figure, and between this curve and this curve have the same tangency button, and in this case this have the curvature of 18, I think 18. Therefore we should define it to 18 millimeter, and we should define it to 18 again, and this have the curvature of 60 millimeter in the document. Have a 60 millimeter. And the 3-point arc should be made once again, and tangency between this curve and this curve should be making from constant defined in dialog box. Once again. Okay, I'll finish this time and see you next time, and next time I will go it once again. Thank you for watching. Bye.